How to deposit cash to Chime. Now you can deposit cash into Chime account by using the mobile banking app or using the online banking services on chime.com. On the mobile banking app, you want to simply go ahead and launch the Chime app. Simply go to the login tab and log into your mobile banking account. After that, go to the Move Money page in the Chime app, select Deposit Cash. Toggle to deposit, then tap View Barcode to see the deposit barcode option. Take the cash and phone to a participating retail location, and you can ask the cashier to scan the barcode and transfer the funds to the Chime account. You can also transfer account or money to your Chime account through other bank accounts or other payment methods if you have. And these are some of the ways on how you can use deposit cash feature to Chime. You can also use the instant transfer features in the Chime app to transfer money from an external debit card. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.